Over the past months, there's been a surge in demand for productivity improvements focused on innovation as the engine of growth. As a workplace coach and leadership consultant, I've identified two key pillars for impactful organizational development: coaching and systems thinking. Coaching serves as a catalyst for personal and professional growth, directly influencing an organization's effectiveness. In workshops, I've witnessed how team coaching can unlock new perspectives and lead to breakthroughs in problem-solving. By using tools like the 4-player model, coaching strengthens collaboration, resolves conflicts, and boosts team leadership. However, coaching alone isn't enough, and enter systems thinking, a holistic approach to understanding operations, processes, and structures. Systems thinking tools, such as the hierarchy of choices, reveal hidden patterns and dynamics often overlooked by traditional analysis. Teams tend to diagnose issues at the structural level, but true understanding requires surfacing mental models at play across stakeholders. Integrating coaching and systems thinking may seem challenging, but I've outlined 7 actionable steps to ease the process. Step 1. Make coaching a routine part of professional development and organizational culture. Step 2. Equip leaders with coaching skills through dedicated training programs, fostering a coaching culture. Step 3. Inspire a workplace coaching culture by leading by example, participating in coaching, and sharing experiences. Step 4. Develop an accessible internal coaching system with certified coaches and ICFCCE accredited curricula. Step 5. Leverage external coaches for fresh perspectives on strategic planning and team coaching. Step 6. Quantify coaching's impact on key performance indicators like engagement, productivity, and retention. Step 7. Continuously refine workplace coaching strategies based on open feedback loops and community practices. In today's fast-paced business world, agility and innovation are key, making coaching and systems thinking crucial. By embracing these practices, organizations can foster continuous learning, improve collaboration, and nurture strong leadership. I've seen firsthand the power of coaching and systems thinking. Now, it's time for all organizations to explore their potential in driving innovation and development. Join me in exploring the potential of these practices for innovation and development in your organization.